We continue along today with our basics of Power BI, and a lot of times when someone sees a finished or completed Power BI file, they noticed in the field section what I'm going to call measure tables. And in this example, you see key metrics or time intelligence. And those are examples of measure tables. And what it does, it allows you to put the similar measures into a table. So for time intelligence in this example, we have percentage change from last year and sessions last year because those are all related to time intelligence. Then for key metrics, we have all of our key metrics that include month-to-date sessions, year-to-date sessions, things like that. How do you create these? They're very easy to create, and you can make as many as you want. And once you make them, you notice what's nice about it is they come to the top of the fields list, and they have a separate icon from the tables. So in the home view, you go to Enter Data, and you make a name for the table. And this one, we're going to call it Sample Measures. And then you have to put something in the column. So for now, we'll just type a 1 and we'll load. So now the measure comes into the table as sample measures. So in this case, what we're going to do is create a new measure called sample sessions. And you have to create the first measure to get the measure table to populate. So in this case, we're going to take the sum of sessions and now you have the new measure. You now go delete that information that you put in there before as kind of a placeholder. And then all you need to do is close the fields pane and open it back up. And now the sample measures is listed at the top with the measure table icon. Hopefully this helps the next time you need to make a measure table. And remember, you can make as many measure tables as you want in Power BI.